forget she has her own fancy open.
She's fancy.
She's fancy like that. Hey, it's time to create with Quimby, and this morning we have the perfect Valentine's Day project to add a little love to your home. Very practical use here too. Our DIY expert Shannon Quimby showing us how to make this string heart pocket.
It's so cool. Shannon joining us live right now. Good morning to you, Shannon. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. I've missed you guys.
I know, we've missed you too. I know. Yeah, you're so fun. I love these little projects I would never think to do.
Yeah, this one is super cute. I saw this yesterday and was like, I want to make this. This is great.
All right. Well, let's get started.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, okay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get 2-inch spiral nails. These are spiral siding nails. And the reason you want to go spiral is because you're not going to hammer it too far deep into the board, and the spiral will make the nail attach closer to the board, tighter to the board, okay?
Okay.
But before you do that, you get, I know you're going, what the heck?
What is that?
Is that a tissue box?
Yes, it is on its side.
Oh.
So what I want you to do is you take the same nails and you're going to poke them into the tissue box about 1/4 inch down. And this project takes 23 nails. And then you go outside and you spray paint them.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Just so they are all standing up. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, makes it a lot easier. And also a little tip, if you get paint on your hands, you can just get a tissue and
Oh, well, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, that is convenient. Okay.
that's how good I am. No.
Yeah.
All right.
We know.
Then you just get a brown paper bag and you cut out a heart.
Oh,
The
nice.
easiest way to do that is to just make one shape of the side and fold the paper in half, and then you get the equal heart like that.
Oh, there you go.
That's easy.
Otherwise, yeah,
Okay.
it's always hard because you get lopsided.
I've never thought to do that.
Yeah. Smart. Very
All the
smart.
hearts I'm cutting out of bags.
All your hearts are lopsided.
All the many that I do.
Oh,
yes.
So then I always love to go to Parr Lumber, and I get a pine, this is a pine 1-foot square board, and then you put the heart on the center of the board and you outline it with a pencil, lightly, okay? All right, so done. Then I get some acrylic red paint. You can get this at any craft store. And I do a 1-inch angled brush, like so, and I just start painting on the board. The great thing about this paint is it really just takes one coat, and you're going to go all the way around the edge of the heart, and it goes around like that. So you paint all the,
Perfect. Yeah.
All right, then you set that down. You let it dry.
Okay.
Okay. Easy enough.
Okay, so
Magic of TV. There we go.
There we go. Boom.
okay. Then you take those, remember those nails I was talking about earlier?
Yeah.
You're going to take those nails, and the first one you're going to hammer down at the bottom corner, at the bottom of the heart.
Okay.
Okay. Then, of course, I use silverware DIY more than I cook.
Me too.
I know. So I take a knife, and I use the knife, and I'll set it up here. I use it as my measuring gauge to hammer each nail, so they're all equal.
Oh, that's so smart.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Right?
you're not having to, like, with the measuring tape, you know,
Yeah, that'd be a
mark all
pain.
those.
Yeah,
Because you know I would. You know I would
Yeah.
try to make it exactly a
she's
1/4 inch apart.
A
You
little
just use the
uptight
knife.
about these things.
I
yes.
know. This is way easier. This is way easier.
So you're going to hammer that all the way around, about 2/3 up. This particular project takes 23 nails.
Okay.
So you're going to do 1 on that, and then 11 and 11. Can you see that? I'll turn it sideways.
Yeah, I would say once
Yeah,
you
we can
turn
see
it to
it.
the side, but I like that's why you paint them red, is because now it blends. It's all nice and camouflaged. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. It's yeah. You don't want. I mean, you could do the other regular nails if you want to, but it just kind of zazzes it up.
Yes.
We like to zazz things
We like
up.
to zazz it up around
Yeah.
here.
That's right. Then you just take some red yarn. Once again, you get it in craft store, and you tie it to one side at the top nail. You can go start the left or the right, doesn't matter. And then you go over to the opposite side, and then basically you just start going back and forth all the way to the bottom. See how quick this is?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's so easy. I love it.
This is
Yeah.
great.
And then when you get to the bottom of the nail, like this, you start going up and down, back and forth, left, right. Now, the best thing about string art is that this is just a pattern I did.
Right.
You can go
You
crazy.
can do whatever works for you. Yeah.
Exactly.
This is
And
so
the thing
cute.
that I do the 2-inch nails because then it creates a pocket. And so you can put your hearts in it, your little bit of flowers.
Look at that. You can save all your little Valentines.
All your love letter. Oh, even some candy. Love it,
so
Shannon.
Cute.
Yeah.
That looks great. Yeah, I know you've got a nice close-up picture on your Instagram if people want to check it out and see the pattern that you did. It looks very cute.
And you're giving away some of these too, right?
Well, yes, go to Parr Lumber's Facebook page. I'm making 4 of these, and 4 lucky winners are going to get one.
Awesome.
Very cool.
Very cool, Shannon. Great to see you again. You look fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
See
well,
ya.
Happy Valentine's
of course.
Day.
Happy
yes.
Valentine's Day. Hopefully that heart gets filled with letters. Yeah. All right. Thanks, Shannon. And to learn more about Shannon's giveaway, or if you want to try that project for yourself, we'll have everything posted on coin.com.